Yeah, remember this one? Wonder what's under there. H22, Skunk 2 Tuner 1s, RMF drag, Deuces Wild, you know how we do it. H series everything, F&H everything. That's how we come. Let me explain what's going on, because I ain't do that before. Timing belt tensioner. Need to change those cam seals. See all the oil build up there. Do a compression test on it too. Got the Acura CL spindles. The big rotors, bigger calipers. I got my work cut out for me today. Alright, so take the old auto tensioner off. All the old auto tensioner parts got to come off. Take these cams out. Get those seals out. Change this valve cover. Water pump. Timing belt. Balance belt. Cam seal. Crank seal. Cam seal. Euro R head. Tuner 1 cams. That shit a V6, my nigga. That ain't gonna be no quick boom boom bang. That shit is gonna be tedious a little bit. Motherfucking mechanic shop probably charge that nigga like 12, like a G to 12 probably do that shit. Feel me? Like I was more so on some looking them out type shit. Indeed. Just over there just to be over there. Catch y'all up on some of the progress. So pretty much all there is to it. The balance belt tensioner, timing belt tensioner, spring. Just put that little piece there. This is the H23 manual tensioner conversion, by the way. So I'm a bit old school, dated now if you want to say that. On KS Tune. There we go. The adjustable one. You can adjust by screw, and it goes right in place of the auto style tensioner, so you don't gotta put all these extra components on. But we already had this one, so it's gonna rock out. Shit it. Test those brakes.
Test them motherfucking brakes. Damn. She ain't feel that good in a long time, bro. A long time. She feel effortless.